Hi again! Today, I will show you how to play the key of G in your ukulele. The notes in the key of G are G, A, B, C, D, E, F flat, and G. As I said earlier, the vertical line that you see, the blue vertical line, are the strings. The strings of the ukulele are G, C, E, and A. The horizontal line that you see in color green are the fret where you hold with your finger while you're plucking the key. In actual ukulele, these ones look like something like this. The A string is facing the floor and the G string is facing the ceiling. So let's try to play the key of G using the fret guides. Okay, take your ukulele and let's do the first note of key of G. Third string, third fret. The second note is fourth string, no fret. The third note is fourth string, second fret. The fourth note is fourth string, third fret. The fifth note is fourth string, fifth fret. The sixth note is fourth string, seventh fret. The seventh note is fourth string, ninth fret. And the last note is fourth string, 10th fret. Now let's do it a little faster so our hands can get choose of where we gonna pluck the key for the key of G. Let's do it again. At first, you're gonna get confused on which key, but keep on practicing until your brain remember where to go on your fret. Thank you. See you later on my next video.